I'm here with Violet and we found a Carlos Bake Shop vending machine. No way. And there he is, Carlos the man with his variety of cakes. The Hoboken, forget about it. I got a cousin from there. All right, so what are our options? Carrot cake, chocolate cake, rainbow cake, red velvet, and vanilla confetti here. So vanilla confetti, I think that's what it's gonna be right here. All right, so we're gonna pick the vanilla confetti. All right, add to cart, excellent. So here, I'll give you, you go ahead and process the payment. And then I'll set up, get ready for the robotic action of cake. Go. Ta-da! What do you think there?
Looks pretty good.
Yeah?
I mean, I think Carlos did his best.
I don't see a fork though, huh? Here.
Come on.
We got forks.
Oh my gosh.
Now we want to know is, does it taste like a fresh piece of cake or?
Yeah, it kind of looks like.
Is this something that you would want like for your birthday maybe? Like maybe it tastes good enough for a birthday cake? It does. Okay, we're getting a thumbs up here. So far so good. Let me try it. I'll give you my assessment with lots of icing here. Some big chunk of icing here. Mmm.
Just gonna eat all the cake.
Not too shabby. Tastes pretty good. I'm giving it a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Well, you're pretty much killing it there. So,
I know.
very delicious. All right, so that's the Carlos vending machine. I hope you're all doing great out there. I'm gonna upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and I want y'all to keep on rocking. Ta-da!